Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to show you our neighborhood around. As you can see, that's our neighborhood. This is the apartment that I live in. And yeah, as I told you, I've been selling around. These are the people I sell to. In each floor there are like 4 to 5 houses, and yes, all of these houses have kids. And today they are not outside because it's a bit cold. Those are our stairs. Yeah, even on the other side there are houses. So guys, as I show you my house, kindly don't forget to share, like and subscribe. So let's get in. This is our living room. As you get in there, guys, you can see we have a doormat. That's a walkway area to the bedroom, washroom and all that. This is our sitting room. You know, I have a stroller there for my baby. When I'm working, I put her there, okay, and sit so that I can work. These are my curtain shears. I got them from, I think, Islay, yeah, but they're a bit long. So yes, though I like them like that. I have a orange and a gray one, okay. So as you can see, yeah, and then I have this seat which is a bit messy. My kid poured soup and tea, black tea there. Yeah, you know, with kids things do happen. And even on the other cushion. So guys, if you know someone who can do the cleaning, or if you know any idea of the cleaning, kindly tell me. Those are throw pillows, 3 of them, okay. I love them so much, the colors. That's our wall art there in our calendar. Yes, nani hananga calendar kwake, okay. So yes, that's our table. Yeah, it's our TV there. I guess we were watching something inspiring about business. This is what do we call it, this one, my ring lights for videos. This is the cow gate for my baby formula, okay. Sometimes I breastfeed, sometimes I give her that. That's the TV. Yes, and the wallpaper, we got it fixed like immediately we got in here. It's still nice, it's well maintained, okay. Yes, and the TV, we hanged it because of the kids, Trevor sana. Yeah, and that the TV stand there, I love it so much because it's white. That's Ducky for Tracy for playing, okay. And the carpet, okay, it's a bit old, like 3 years now, but I love it. So that's our living area where we stay most of the times. Yeah, and our ceiling is white, as you can see. Yeah, so from there I'm going to the bedroom. That's the bucket where I put sometimes Tracy's dirty clothes. This is our bedroom. Don't mind the gunias. That's where I put Tush. When I go to Gikomba, this is his bedroom. He has a great view of the other side of the neighborhood. That's his chat, okay. Yeah, then there is a mirror wardrobe which has a mirror. Yeah, and I'm tired of cleaning the kio because every time anaichafua, okay. That's his bathrobe. Yeah, so msijali about the gunia, okay guys. This is a walkway to the kitchen, to the other bedroom, to the toilet. Yes, let me show you the other bed, the, what do you call it, the washroom. Yes, the bathroom and the washroom are separate because this is a 2-bedroom house. And there are others that are, the toilet and the bathroom are together, okay. Then this is the bathroom, separate, okay. I love it. I love the tiles. It's so clean. They're so, you know, they look good, okay. Yes, that's where we put the soap. Yeah, there guys. Yes, that's the bathroom. Oh, and then guys, huku maji ni mob. We have I have never gone a day without water, so water here is 24/7. Yeah, even in the washroom, the sink, there's water, as you can see, okay. Yes, so guys, let's go. Like I told you, that's bucket for Tracy. Okay, so this is our bedroom now. Okay, that's our bed, that's where we sleep. Okay, me even Tracy haven't gotten his crib yet. Okay, yeah, and even in our bedroom there's this wardrobe here, you can see. Okay, there's a mirror there. That's where I put Tracy's clothes. This other one is for the katikati one. I put bed sheets and all that. That one I put our clothes, our shirts hang them there. That's the bin for the clothes. This is the bath station for Tracy. Namoshianga hapo. It's a very nice stand because hautaumia mgongo. That's her best friend there. Okay, yes, so iko na nini, what do you call them? I can't remember, but yes, iko na spaces mingi sana where you put your things there. Then guys, we go to our kitchen. There it is. I love my kitchen so much because I love cooking. That's our gas. That's our cooker there. It's a bit, old. Iko na miaka kadhaa. Okay, looking forward to getting another one. That's my working surface where I cook, where I do my preparation for everything. Okay, and even the microwave and the fridge, I put them there. It's a bit the oldest stuff here in this house. Then up there is kuna shelves huko juu. Okay, na huku chini, that's our washing area. As you can see, the flask are so many. I told you guys I was selling tea and chapos. Yeah, that's what I was using. And yes, there are bananas there for Tracy. And yes, guys, let me show you our balcony there. This is our balcony where I do my washing. I love that bucket so much. Sisikiangi kukatupa. And these are the other side of our neighborhood. As you can see, it's very conducive. The forest, the fresh air. You can see the view of Ngong Hills. Okay, yeah, and everyone in this apartment akona balcony. Kuna wenye wako na mbili, kuna wenye wako na moja. Yes, on the other side of the forest. Ngong, most of the places iko na miti sana, and I love that because of the fresh air. And yes, even huko juu kuna area ya kuchezea watoi. Okay, so the kids go to play there. This is the kitchen now, and if you can see, my cooker imetoka these knobs, so I don't know, but naitumianga tu. So that's it guys for today. Asanteni sana. Kama unataka nyumba, you can comment below, and guys, don't forget